To do that, let's look at the dimensions first. So our lift core is 3.2, 5.85 and 2.45, 5.85. Okay, so to do this, the easiest way would be to divide so first I'm gonna get this part, the 3.2 meter part. To do that, let's divide and say unequal distance and give your x distance. I would say 3.2 meters. Okay, so you can see this beam element was is divided into two parts, and this part is 3.2 meters. And next we want this one, 5.85. So let's divide that. I want to divide this 5.85 meters. Okay, and this one, so it's a bit tricky. 5.85. So I'm gonna give this as 1.15. Okay, because so this is going in the other direction, so you have to divide, subtract from 7 minus 5.85, 1.15. That's what I gave. And next, let's take this part. So we need 2.45. Okay, so I would have done that. Can do the same here and put this one again, 5.85. Okay, you can see, I hope you can see the nodes are appearing. And then we need this and this, so this to be 2.45. so 6 minus 2.45 is 3.55. okay, got it. And then we have to create these two shear walls. In order to do that, the easiest way would be to replicate the nodes. So I'm gonna select this node and say I'm gonna translate. So I'm gonna need a copy of this node in the y direction. At the middle distance, so I'm going 2.925 and apply. Oops, sorry. Should be the other way around. Minus. Okay, select the node. Select the node. Okay, and again I'm gonna copy this and create the other node. Great. Similarly, we can do it here. Apply. Again, we can select the node and apply. Okay, and again we can 2.45, 2.45. Okay. Okay, so we have the shear core, and now let's see how to model the shear walls. So for that I'm gonna select the shear walls, and okay, now let's see how to do this. We're gonna extrude line elements to planar elements, and So these are walls. I'm gonna shear walls 40 and 250 thickness. You can specify the material and the thickness, and then plate, because shear walls are supposed to take the in-plane moment. And okay, and then you have to decide, you have to provide the story height. So for this, assuming that the podium part of this structure is for car parking, let's say 3 meters, and there you go. So we have the shear walls, wall, plate. Okay, cool. And then let's see how to and next I will, so if you want to select a plane, what you have to do is go use this select by plane and the XY plane, and you can just select the XY plane, and I want to translate this. I want to move this in the Z direction by 3 meters and apply. Okay, so now the problem is, you can see there are free nodes in the model, and this is going to lead you to tremendous errors if you have free nodes in the model. So always make sure to remove them. So here I will, you can select all and select delete, and selection only free nodes. Yeah, so that way you can get rid of all your free nodes. And then let's create the columns. So I'm gonna again extrude. Okay, this is gonna take some time. So okay, so I've decided to put columns at these nodes, so I'm gonna just select them and okay, and extrude. So this is why it's easier to import the general arrangement from the AutoCAD. Could be a little bit cumbersome to, or maybe you can just select the nodes, but I wouldn't recommend that. Okay, and let's say we have let's see, on the podium, okay, we have 3 columns in the middle, so let's just select, go ahead and select these 3 as well. Okay, now let me show you how to create the columns. Again, extrude, so this time it's node to line element. Yeah, let's go to beam element type, because we are looking at the biaxial bending of the columns as well. So grade 40 concrete, 750 by 750 for the podium. Okay, translate, minus 3 meters. Cool. So here you go. Okay, so that way, so we have created one story or one floor of the building, the ground floor of the podium structure, and so from my next video I will show you how to apply dummy beams to this structure, and how to generate the remaining floors of the podium, and yeah, there onwards how to do this.